Bitcoin this week has made a small bearish breakout to the downside. What we can see, the price started with these candles around this demand zone around 41,400, and the price has formed this bearish breakout on a Wednesday, where we can see the price has closed below these candles, open and close, but did not close below this one, which is a very important level. We can see it here, 41,053. We can see that price has reached with the wick a lower side, and also almost the lower side here, 40,098, but the price went back up. So we can see this bearish breakout is somehow confirmed on this small time frame, and we can see where the price needs to make a breakout is on the low side below 41,053. Until that happens, everything's still open, but for now, as it looks, the price is reaching the lower side and also lower levels, and that will be much visible on the weekly time frame. After the price has made a previous week a very pretty strong almost a bearish pin bar, the prices continue to fall down, and what is very important level currently, we have 2 more days until this week ends, so everything's still open. But we can see that very important level for now on the weekly time frame is 41,816. If the price closes below this one, it will be an important move. On the monthly time frame, we can see after the prices reach this area here, which was mentioned in the previous weekly analysis. After the price reached this one, we could expect for the price to make a retrace and also return back down. The retrace could happen, and also the price could reach, after the price reached this area here, is around this one, which is 39,000. We can round it to 40,000, and the price has just made that bounce back down. So this will be a very important level for the price on the monthly time frame to see what happens in the following 2 weeks, because we have 2 more weeks until this month ends. So anything can happen. The price could close below this one, which would suggest that the price could go down even more and reach this one area, which is 34,400. If that happens, we will see on the weekly and also daily time frame, and on the upper side we could see a price going up about 45,700. So these are very important and also very critical levels on the monthly time frame for the Bitcoin. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the very important level currently is 41,774. If the price closes below this one in the following 2 days, which will close this week, this will suggest that the price could reach lower levels, and that means for the price around this one, which will be this one, 40,226, and below that, if that happens, will be this one here around, we can round it to 40,000. And on the upper side, a very important level for the price will be, first one is 43,800 and then 44,160. These are the levels that we need to watch next week, what happens, and also in the next 2 days. But as it looks right now, everything still looks bearish, which would also suggest that we could see the price falling even more down. On the daily time frame, we can see these are very important levels. So first of all, on the lower side is 41,000, a very important level that the price needs to hold in order not falling even more down. If the price closes below this one, the next one where the price could stop is this one here, which is 39,700, much more clearly, but what we have make a round number is 40,000. If the price goes below that, this will mean we could see the price reaching the start of this demand zone around 39,000. So everything can happen in the next 2 days, what we have seen on the weekly time frame, but on the daily we can see also very important levels. In order to continue to reach higher price levels, the price needs to go above 43,400. We can see it here as a very important resistance level, a small one between a strong one, which is 45,500 here. So everything's still open, and also there is a potential breakout to the downside. If that happens, I am also making the daily analysis and also sharing that inside the trading community, and also pointing what could be the next target after the breakout happens. And also if the breakout happens, I also check is it validated with the next candle, and also I am all sharing that inside the trading community. If you would like to also check that trading community, you can check the link below in the description below the video. See you next time, and happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See See you next time and a happy trading.